Welcome back. It's possible that you may have a podcast on a site like Anchor. If that's the case, you will have an RSS feed in order to distribute that podcast when you produce an episode. And there are ways to connect that podcast to your WordPress site. We are going to go to our plugin search and we're going to type in podcast. And you're going to see a number of alternatives available to you. You're going to want to look at and evaluate the plugins to determine which one best fits your business model. For example, one plugin will give you podcast subscribe buttons. Another will give you a more comprehensive approach. Now, for the sake of this video, we're going to install Seriously Simple Podcasting. And again, make sure that if you're going to install any plugin, whether it's this one that we are installing or another one, that it works with your plugins, your installation, and your business. We're now going to click Install Now. We are going to activate the plugin. We're going to write in the name of our show and we're going to talk about what the show is about. We're then going to click Proceed. You are then going to need a large podcast cover image, which should be between 14 by 1400 pixels and 3000 by 3000 pixels. If you have a free account in Canva, you can search for podcast in order to find an image that you can start with, make changes, and then download in the right format. Now in Canva, we're going to sort for podcast cover, and we're going to download and use one of the templates. And we're going to download this template. Now in some cases, some of the templates that are available are going to only be for paid programs. However, there are free templates that you can use at the right size. We're going to go to this area and you're going to notice that this template is 3000 by 3000 pixels, so it fits our parameters. We're going to download this image. We're now going to upload the image that we just downloaded. We're going to select this image and we're now going to click Proceed. We're going to choose the category and subcategory for the podcast. We're now going to click Proceed. We are going to skip the hosting plan and we're going to click Let's Start. We are going to go to our settings link, and what we're going to do is go to the Import tab, and this is where we're going to place our RSS feed. So we're going to copy our feed, and wherever your feed is going to be, that's where you're going to get it. And you're going to place that feed URL here in this area, and you're going to click Begin Import Now. And what you're then going to do is click OK. You're going to allow your feed to be imported, and your episodes are now available on your website. And that means they are now viewable in a format that will allow you to make your episodes visual. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.